Morning everyone, present Kusma. My teammates are Nirupa, Basama, Monica. My topic was agricultural IoT and agricultural IoT introduction and case studies. In this one contains introduction components of agricultural IoT, advantages of IoT in agriculture, assessment of leaf area, index of using IoT, smart irrigation management system. And introduction of agricultural IoT. IoT is widely used in the crop production and increase income. Agricultural IoT means using smart devices, sensors and equipment making saving errors faster and active IoT. IoT helps in phrase connect to real-time information, soil, crops, and water, temperature, weather, etc. This information makes better result the manual. Many sensors are placed in the testing like server, cloud, and for devices. This device sensors is placed in the agricultural IoT, collect the data of soil temperature and humidity, etc. This helps making farming smarter, faster, and more predictable. These data will collect the agricultural IoT to analyze and provide various agricultural services. Next, we continue.
Hello everyone, myself Krishna. I'm adding component of agriculture IoT. Components of agriculture IoT other farmers. Agriculture is for products and issues for the farmers. Based on the time and work faster. Components are mainly helpful for the farmers. Is work faster and smarter. Cloud computing stores data from the for using the farmers. Sensors are used in the field and users for the monitoring the soil and pH meter and water conditions. Camera is used for images for crop health conditions and diseases. Next, satellites are used for the images from the sky and the crop area. Next, analytic is used for the soil condition and moisture of the soil. Next, wireless connectivity is used for the farmers who are using the mobiles. Advantages. Automatical conditions, IoT agriculture, and the farmers is using automatical planting and using the crops and the right amount and fertilizer and pesticides. The farmers the users of pesticide of the plant. Water management is essential for farmers and save the water costs. The more amount of water is reduce the water. Real-time data and real-time data from the file and it's monitored from the farmers. We need to write information is IoT for farming and farmers helps for the conditions. Productivity and overview. The agriculture in this project, the farmers is help more components and conditions. This will be continued by implementation of IoT infrastructure for agriculture. Assessment of leaf area index using IoT-based agriculture system. Here we focus on IoT-based agriculture system. Leaf area index means how much leaf are planted as more leaf area better for photosynthesis. Healthier crops in IoT-based leaf area index measurement, sensors and cameras in the feed connected leaf images and light data in IoT devices processes these measurements. Data is sent to the cloud. Farmers can monitor crops growth and purpose to check plant health without cutting leaves or manual testing. Accurate monitoring detection of crops and helps decided fertilizers and irrigation.
Smart irrigation management system. It is a modern way of watering plants so that automatically using the IoT sensors and the technology. So it helps farmers to water plants automatically when it is needed. How it works means when the soil moisture sensor is placed in the soil, so it detects the soil moisture continuously. And when it is needed, it sends the messages or the signals to the microcontroller or the Raspberry Pi which we use. So when it is needed, it automatically turns on the pump on or off when it is needed. And when it is not necessary, so it turns off the pump. And the uses of this smart irrigation are it saves the water because it gives only whenever it is needed, and also the limited water, so plants can grow healthier and easier. It is scalable for all agricultural fields like small gardening or the largest agricultural fields. Thank you.